The process of verifying one's existing financial exposure may soon become easier for financial institutions with the implementation of a credit bureau. The Eastern Caribbean Central Bank has announced that the Regional Credit Bureau will be implemented effective December 2024. The announcement was made by ECCB Governor Dr. Timothy Antwine during a recent investment conference. The central bank is the only body that can provide a license for the operation of a credit bureau. The credit reporting legislation is an act to provide for a fair and accurate credit reporting mechanism within the financial system in order to assure objective credit decisions, enable credit information sharing and reporting, provide for the regulation of the conduct of credit reporting and credit reporting services, provide safeguards for protecting the data of customers of credit providers, and to provide for a single space in the regulation of credit reporting. Section 27 of the legislation explains that a credit information provider shall, upon providing credit to a data subject or entering into a credit or loan agreement with that customer, furnish to a credit bureau information with respect to the data subject from the date of the provision of said credit and within the time specified in the subscriber agreement with the credit bureau. The law defines a data subject as anyone or person whose information has or may have been furnished to the credit bureau by reason of a contractual relationship with a credit provider, a loan application signed by the person, or any other legitimate purpose, as well as anyone who is a guarantor of a person. Banks, credit unions, and insurance companies are amongst financial institutions under the category of credit information providers. The legislation further explains that the central bank may, by written notice published in the Gazette, designate other institutions, including telecoms, electricity, water, or other businesses providing hire purchase services, as a credit information provider if the central bank considers that it is in the public's interest for the entity to be so designated. Existing customers of the designated credit information provider do not have to sign a consent form, but the institution is required to place a notice at the physical location of the business or on its website. For GBN News, Janelle St. Bernard.